Kayla's Rainbow.
Hello, Kayla. Would you like to do a puppet show today?
I think I would love to be a puppet show. I mean, they're so fun and funny and cool.
Hey, everybody. I'm Kayla, the puppy. How is everybody else doing? Today's a great day. I just got up from sleeping in my little basket. Yay! Today is a great day. You guys want to hear a song? I said you guys want to hear a song. Yeah! A, B, C, D, F, G. This is my song that I sing. Miss Kayla. Yes, Mr. Skittles.
Do you realize what you are doing?
No, I'm just singing a happy song.
What you are doing is you are teaching children how to sing their ABCs wrong.
Yeah, but what's wrong with that, right? I mean, it's just so much funner that way.
Butter is no word either, Kayla.
Yeah, but who cares? It's just more funner.
You need to tell the children that butter is no word. That way they can learn.
Well, if this is learning, then it's not a puppet show.
Learning is a puppet show, Kayla.
Fine. Funner is not a word. The correct term would have been, this is more fun, or funnest, I think.
That is very well, Kayla. And the correct way to sing ABCs is like this. ABC.
FGI, JKLMNOPQRSTUV. You guys want to hear it again?
No.
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 I told you this isn't fun for the children.
Whatever.
Get out of my way. ABIGFG Funner. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you enjoyed my show, everybody. Did you enjoy my show?
Yeah!
Do you have bad feelings towards Skittles?
Yeah!
Is it because she's boring and tries to teach everybody how to learn?
Yeah!
Do you like me because I use the word funner?
Yeah!
Yay! I'm more funner. Bye, everybody.
Bye!
Bye, everybody. Bye.
Next time we should actually learn something.
Take a bow.
Okay.
Yay. Yay.
Well,
Oh, yay, today's such a great day.
sure it is. Bye, everybody. Take a bow, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Subscribe and like. It's even a great snack. Watch. Keep going, keep going. Oh, yeah. You have to. We only have another banana. Do it, do it. Stuff it in your mouth. Just stuff the rest in your mouth. Just go out. I want a side view. Look straight. Look, you could even eat it as a snack. Should he spit it out? No, it's fine. fine. Okay, Gavin, you're done eating it. Where did your other banana go?
You could even use it as a stylish bracelet. Oh, look, and you could use it as a hat. Woohoo! Yeah!
No. So do that again, and this time you like fall to the ground going, banana rush.
No, like, no! You can even use it as a bracelet, and you could even use it as a hat, and you could use it as a banana rush.